Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to easily create fill-in-the-blank lines in Google Docs. This is perfect for worksheets, forms, or study materials where you want others to write in their answers. Let's get started. Once your Google Doc is open, start by inserting a simple two-cell table. In the first cell, type in your text, for example, a question or a sentence where you want the blank space to appear. The second cell will be used to create the blank line. Next, resize the table by dragging the edges so the second cell is wide enough to act as your answer line. With the cursor inside the table, head to the Format menu, then choose Table Options. From the menu on the right, go to the Color section. Here, set the table border width to 0 so the box outline disappears. Now, instead of a full box, we only need an underline. Open the border options and select just the bottom border. This gives you a clean line under the second cell. You can also adjust the line thickness and color from the top menu to match your style. And that's it. You've successfully created a neat fill-in-the-blank line inside Google Docs. This method looks professional and keeps your document easy to edit anytime. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Google Docs tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.